So this is the status of zero waste management in University of Hyderabad, and this is a big dump yard just behind of the F hostel. So you can see here, like, there is no segregation of any waste, and all plastic and everything whichever is collected in the campus, it has been simply just dumped here. So, and I'm sure it will carry on lot of germs and insects and all kind of diseases through air and through water. So, and I don't know how safe it is to simply dump waste like this. And it is not very far, it is just from the main road, it is hardly 500 meters inside. And you can see how it's like now making a pile, kind of a pile here. In fact, they are doing some segregation only for, I don't know for what sake, like some cardboard is there, some bottles are there, and some plastic segregation is going on.
Collected only beneficial item.
But what about this plastic waste? Whether university has paid about this or not, or and whoever is the contract, how much money university has paid for his work, we should ask this question immediately. And if this is the status of a zero waste management, then definitely university is doing zero to manage its waste.
What about these animals? They will also die after food.
And this is not the first time. I visited this place last Sunday also. So I thought maybe they are taking the waste gradually, but the status is same. It has increased instead of decreasing. So last Sunday also I came, and now today is Monday again. So, but I don't think so. They are just bringing everything and they are just dumping here. And how much safe it is, I think university has to think about it.
It's very dangerous.
And I will try to zoom from here. See, there is a little water body here, and I think there is a plastic floating in it. So yeah. So if our animals and all, they eat these things, I don't know what is going to happen with them. It must be very dangerous, that I'm sure. But we should ask definitely that in the last semester, in the last year, how much university has spent for the waste management in University of Hyderabad. Okay, because if they have invested any amount of money, then the company might have cheated us. And we should ask this question, that are we paying them just to dump this just nearby our places? And I think it is not very far from library also. I think I can see the library building from here. See, this is the library building here. So I think it is a library building, or no. What building it is, Swash? Any idea?
I think this is
Library
library.
or guest house?
No. Yeah, this is guest house.
Might be guest house also, but whatever building, but people are living very nearby here, and it must be very dangerous to living to such a huge pile of garbage just next to us. So whoever is watching this, please share this video so that people and university will come to know about this issue, and they will try to solve it, I hope. So, but I'm definitely, this is not the way to deal with the waste management. I don't know how they are dealing with it, or the company is dealing with it, to whomever we have given the contract. So they are just definitely cheating the whole university community by simply dumping this whole waste, okay, at the name of zero waste management. And again I'm telling you, it is just behind of the F hostel, where there is a canteen. You can just go inside that way next to the canteen, and if you just walk 500 meters on the left hand side, it is there. So it is supposed to be zero waste management site, and they're supposed to be doing compositing and making manure, but I don't see anything much here. Just there is a big piles of waste, and flies and buffaloes and insects and everything. Okay, so I don't think so it's safe anymore to stay here longer. So let's see what university will take action against it. Okay, thank you for watching.